The Osmo Pocket 3 carved out a solid reputation as a favorite among content creators, especially vloggers and travelers, who appreciated its ability to capture professional-looking 4K footage in a device small enough to carry in a pocket. Its combination of a built-in gimbal, sleek form factor, and excellent image quality made it a go-to option for those who preferred minimal gear without sacrificing performance. Now, anticipation is building for the arrival of the Osmo Pocket 4, which is rumored to bring major hardware and software upgrades that could make it the most advanced version yet. A standout change is the potential partnership with legendary camera maker Hasselblad, previously only seen in DJI's top-tier drones, suggesting a leap forward in image clarity, color science, and overall visual performance. If these rumors hold true, the next-gen Pocket could offer capabilities once reserved for much bulkier equipment. Additional reports hint that DJI may soon hold a significant majority in Hasselblad, enabling deeper integration of high-end optics across a broader range of products, including compact handhelds. One of the most exciting leaks suggests that the Pocket 4 could feature a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, a significant upgrade that would enable better low-light performance, greater dynamic range, and improved detail in challenging conditions. Paired with a 20mm EF 2.0 lens, this setup would offer a wide and cinematic field of view, perfect for immersive vlogging and capturing expansive environments. Complementing the upgraded optics, a brand new image processor is expected to deliver real-time HDR previews, faster data handling, and enhanced video compression, letting users see accurate exposure and color in real time as they record. This will be especially beneficial in high-contrast environments like sunsets or indoor scenes with mixed lighting. The improved processing power will also unlock more intelligent computational photography features such as refined auto settings, on-device enhancements, and better color accuracy, potentially reducing post-editing time for mobile creators. Another area that could see major improvements is autofocus, with speculation pointing to the inclusion of phase detection autofocus, PDEF, and eye tracking technology. These advancements would enable fast, accurate focus that locks onto subjects, even when they're moving, making the Pocket 4 more dependable for solo shooters and action-packed sequences. Meanwhile, the next generation of DJI's subject tracking, ActiveTrack 7.0, is expected to provide smoother, more intelligent tracking capabilities, enabling creators to stay perfectly framed while walking, running, or biking without assistance. While the overall design is likely to stick with the beloved vertical form factor that made previous models unique, it's almost certain that the signature 3-axis mechanical gimbal will return, ensuring buttery smooth footage without digital cropping or quality loss. On the software front, updates to the companion app and interface are likely to introduce quicker sharing options, real-time video effects, and smart editing recommendations, especially now that onboard AI processing is becoming more advanced. This will give creators a streamlined workflow from capture to publish, particularly helpful for those who need to create and share on the go. Though official pricing remains unconfirmed, the expected enhancements, including the high-end sensor, Hasselblad integration, and smarter internals, could push the price slightly above the Pocket 3's current retail of $799. However, if all these rumored features materialize, the new model would still offer strong value in its category. Against competition like the Insta360 Ace Pro, the upcoming device has the potential to set a new standard for portable content creation. For creators who want professional-grade footage in a highly portable package, this upcoming release from technology in the future could be the compact powerhouse they've been waiting for.